Right, so I just got to the property. I got some more fuel for the riding lawnmower. This is our pile number 1 right now, or I guess our compost pile. I've been cleaning up a little bit of here. Just gonna do a walkthrough before I get started. But yeah, I gotta clean up quite a bit of stuff. But we're making quite some paths here, cleaning up quite a bit. I started a second post here with just the grass clippings. So this is all dead grass clippings. Probably turn into hay or something when it dries up more. Rained yesterday, but wow. Look at all this. So went through here, went around there. We got all this. So I just have to tackle the back of the land, pick up the clippings, rest here. Yeah, it shouldn't be too bad, but this is the goal for today. We'll see how it goes. We're maybe about 30-40 minutes in. I've cut up quite a bit of the back end now. So as you can see, all this is brush. This all needs to be picked up, and it will be. I got even behind here. Now you can see the whole back. This is pretty nuts. But I just need to fix up this area over here, and that area, and this area. That's about it. But there's some bricks scattered around there that I need to get to. So me and my trusty Toro made a lot of progress with the sweeper. We got the pile here with all the dead grass. We got the back really cleared out. I already lowered the blades a little bit lower, so I've been cutting it lower now. So just have a few little patches here and there, but overall it's looking really good. We're pretty much almost done. I got all the brush up, all the stuff that was on the ground. Got a few heavy patches along the very back. We finally have access to Toby's area again. It's looking really good. We got all this brush up. Man, thank God for that sweeper. Let me show you guys a pile of grass we have from the sweeper. I gotta clean up this chicken wire that's not needed here. This is all the collected brush we have. Potential hay, just trying to figure out what to do with it. It's a lot. But yeah, it's progress. It's all the stuff we found in the ground. And I accidentally unleashed hell. There was I guess like, incredibly huge red ant farm just all underneath there. But it is bad. Look at this. It's bad. There are so many red ants. Yeah, no thanks. No, thank you. Just gonna shut that back up. Close that bad boy. No, thank you. It's like the doves do like to go out into the back area. They got the main chicken coop, and there's a back area. This whole thing is covered for them, and they can go out here basically whenever they want. And it's all by the chicken wire. Here's where I'm leaving off. This is day number like 3 or 4. We're pretty much done. Yeah, pretty damn good job.